Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 17. The days are just flying by. Hopefully you're having a good, wonderful holiday season. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make some sweet bourbon glazed chops. So this is a very simple recipe, only takes a few ingredients, but the star of the show, I must say, is going to be the sweet bourbon glaze that we're going to be using. These are going to be baked chops, so they are going to be tender and delicious. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you still have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that little bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during this COOKMAS season. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright y'all, so these are the sweet bourbon glazed chops. This is a quick and easy dinner idea. All you need is that bottle of your sweet bourbon glaze, whichever one that you like, and then go ahead and bake that to perfection, guys. So good. So hopefully you did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys. Happy holidays.